I am open and ready to meet my soulmate. Love flows freely to and from me. I radiate love and receive it back in abundance. My heart is prepared to welcome my soulmate into my life. I am deserving of a deep, soulful love. Every day, I become more aligned with the energy of love. I trust the universe to bring my soulmate to me. My soulmate is also searching for me. I am worthy of love and affection. Love surrounds me everywhere I go. I am attracting my soulmate through my thoughts and actions. My heart is open to love, and I express it freely. I am creating space in my life for my soulmate. I am loved more than I ever thought possible. I am in a joyful partnership with my soulmate. The universe is guiding me towards my soulmate. I attract relationships that are good for me. My soulmate and I connect on a deep, spiritual level. I am worthy of a loving, lasting relationship. My soulmate appreciates me for who I am. I am attracting my soulmate with every step I take. Love is my birthright, and I accept it now. I am surrounded by love, and everything is fine. My soulmate and I share a bond that is undeniable. I am a magnet for love in its purest form. The love I give is returned to me multiplied. I am ready to love and be loved in return. My soulmate loves me in a way I've never been loved before. I am grateful for the love in my life. I am attracting my perfect match. My relationship is filled with love, joy, and understanding. I deserve a partner who loves me as much as I love them. My soulmate and I respect each other deeply. Love is drawn to me, and I am drawn to love. I am open to receiving love in various forms. My soulmate's love is pure and unconditional. I am in harmony with the universe, attracting my soulmate. I am confident in my ability to manifest my soulmate. I share a powerful connection with my soulmate. My soulmate and I support each other's dreams. I am deserving of a passionate, loving relationship. I am in a loving relationship that brings me joy. I am attracting a partner who understands me deeply. My soulmate and I share a profound emotional connection. I am open to love and receive it in abundance. I am patient and trust that my soulmate will find me. I attract love by being myself. My relationship is grounded in mutual respect and love. I am ready to experience love in its fullest form. I am attracting a relationship that enhances my life. My soulmate and I share unforgettable moments together. I am in a relationship that is built on trust and honesty. Love finds me at the perfect time. I am attracting a kind, gentle, and loving partner. My soulmate and I cherish our time together. I am worthy of a soulmate who treasures me. I am in a relationship that is filled with genuine love. My soulmate and I uplift each other. I radiate love and it attracts the right person to me. I am attracting a relationship that is healthy and vibrant. My soulmate and I understand each other on a deep level. I am open to love and it finds me effortlessly. My soulmate and I are connected by a bond stronger than words. I I am attracting a loving, supportive partner. My relationship is a source of happiness and strength. I am deserving of a partner who is committed and faithful. My soulmate and I share a love that grows stronger every day. I attract love by embodying love. I am in a relationship that is fulfilling and happy. My partner and I communicate with love and respect. I am attracting a soulmate who is loyal and trustworthy. My soulmate and I make a great team. I am worthy of a relationship that is balanced and harmonious. I am attracting a soulmate who shares my values. My soulmate and I enjoy a deep and meaningful connection. I am in a loving relationship that respects my boundaries. I am attracting a partnership that is supportive and understanding. My soulmate and I share a journey of growth and love. I am open to receiving the love I deserve. My soulmate and I are drawn together by fate. I am attracting a partner who is also my best friend. My relationship is rich with love and companionship. I am worthy of a soulmate who encourages my dreams. I am attracting a partner who is attentive and caring. My soulmate and I respect our differences. I am in a relationship that is passionate and exciting. I am attracting a soulmate who is ready to commit. My soulmate and I face challenges with love and understanding. I am in a relationship that brings out the best in me. I am attracting a love that is deep, true, and everlasting.